Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel English Wala YouTuber. So guys, today I am here with another topic. So my topic name is transportation. So today I am going to share something about transportation. What is the transportation and how many type of transportation are there? All kind of thing I am going to share in this video. So really guys, if you want to learn something in this video, so then stay tuned this video till the end. So first and foremost, I would say that guys, I am improving here. So that is why whatever I have in my mind, I am going to share. There might be some mistake. So if I am making any mistake, please don't offend it and don't take it mind. So let's directly jump into the topic without wasting our precious time. So as I told you, my topic is transportation. So first and foremost, we should know about transportation. So guys, you know, any item or anything, if we are sending anything one place to other place, so we can say that transportation. And second one is, suppose if we are going one place to other place, so also we can say that transportation. So let me tell you in Hindi, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मीन्स गाइस, जैसे कोई सामान एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आप मंगा रहे हैं या भेज रहे हैं, तो उसको हम ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कहते हैं. और दूसरी चीज़, जैसे हम आप कहीं जा रहे हैं या कहीं से आ रहे हैं, तो भी हम ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कहते हैं. मीन्स कम्यूट फैसिलिटी, कहीं आने जाने का साधन. सो गाइस, जस्ट आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर समथिंग अबाउट दिस ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. So my topic is transportation also. So there are four type of transportation. First one is small commute facility, like that auto rickshaw, bus, mini bus. So we can say that transportation. And second one is train transportation. Third one is air transportation. Fourth one is sea transportation. So there are four type of transportation. So now I am going to explain turn by turn all about transportation. So as I told you guys, first transportation is small commute facility, bus, auto rickshaw, mini bus. So if you want to go some places nearby, like that 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 50 kilometer, so I think it's very easy to use that kind of small commute facility. So then we can reach there, our destination, very easy way. So there is no need to take any train or big transportation. So actually, you know, everywhere is not available train and other facility. So that is why we can use mini bus, auto rickshaw. So this is the first transportation. And second one is like that train transportation. So if we have to go any long distance, so then we can take benefit from that, go one place to other place, one place to other place, and one state to other state. So we can go by train. So really it's very important, it's very reasonable. We can go very easy way, no need to pay more money. So nowadays very important, and people, they are getting more benefit from that kind of commute facility. Yeah, really I think sometimes what happen, if want to take that kind of benefit, like that if I want to import something, so we can import by train, very easy way. And also government, they are making many a plan. If someone, they want to import and export anything, so they can import and is export by train. So now it's very easy and available. And the third one is air transportation. Yeah, really air transportation also very important. Why? Actually, suppose you have to go some places very urgently, so then you can go by flight and you can reach your destination very easy and very short time. So really it's very important. I am not saying that for everyone. I mean, who is businessman, who is rich person, so they are using and they are taking benefit from that kind of air transportation. And sometimes also if we need to go and come, so also we are taking benefit. Suppose if I got any emergency or if I got any good thing we have to do, we have to reach very short time there, so that time we can use also, we can save our time, we can reach very soon. So really very important air transportation. So fourth one is sea transportation. Sea transportation also very important. So why? Actually some places is not that kind of facility like that train, bus or other facility. So that time what we can do? Nothing. Just we have to use sea transportation. Suppose we have to go one place to next place. So that time how can we possible to go? So we can use sea transportation and we can reach very soon, very easy way. So and in my opinion, like that all transportation is very important for everyone, but matter it where we have to use that kind of transportation. Sometimes also in corona pandemic also I think it was very critical condition. So that time government also giving more help by the aeroplane, by the flight. So that time just only that commute facility was available like that air transportation. So people they getting more benefit. Some places I think some of food not available. So government also they give more facility by the air transportation. And some places I think medicine was not available. So that time government also providing many kind of medicine are there. So these all for transportation really it's very important and everywhere it's necessary. I mean if we have to go 10 kilometer, 15 kilometers, so we can't use train. We can't go by train. It is not possible. But I think if I have to go near about 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometers, so we can use only small vehicle. So then we can save our money and we can save our time also. So guys, there are 4 types of transportation, whatever I wanted to share in front of you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.